my dear God. Oh, Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's up, what's happening, Captain? As you guys can see, shows of the most Paul Cantu back at you guys with a brand new video. Now, I want to say something first and foremost. I have been working on some DIY projects, but they always tend to take a couple of days. So I figured whilst we wait for me to finish those videos and edit them, I will do an unboxing video. Once again, you guys seem to enjoy them. And these parcels are legit from before I even moved into this house. So I have like big old boxes and then just a ton of eBay purchases all up in here, man. So I'm just excited to make some content for you guys. I feel very reinvigorated to be on my YouTube professional video maker shit. So I guess without further ado, I'm gonna select a good handful of parcels and we will get into them. Also, a lot of people keep asking me about my website, which is Thrift Heaven Vintage. Y'all follow the Instagram, then y'all ask, hey, I don't see this item in the drop. I do usually 2 drops a week. So if you don't see something in the first drop, it will be in the second drop. And all the info for my vintage Instagram and website is in the description, thriftheavenvintage.com. Just a quick little housekeeping note for you guys, because I keep getting some of the same questions. So yeah, if you don't see it, it most likely will be posted a day or 2 later. And then if you still don't see it, it already sold out and was replaced. Okay? All right. Jesus, I have like 10 packages that I'm gonna get into, and I guess without further ado, we're just gonna start with the largest box because I always wanna begin things with a bang. So I got my girl Trish in the building, obviously. You guys know, man, I stay unboxing things in the most unique fashion, but dude, these items have been in my P.O. box legit for probably over a year.
Tripping.
So I am excited to see what I got. I completely forgot what was enclosed, but some of these are probably from you guys and some of these are probably purchases. So let's go ahead and see what's up. Oh, we have a note right here. It says, ahem, keeping it short and simple. My name is Dora, not the Explorer. Nice, thanks for the clarification. I'm from New Jersey and sell at vintage/sneaker events and maybe one day near you in Texas. Your personality really just did it for me when I decided to take selling seriously. I've included some goodies from my shop that I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for all that you do and keep it up. I'm currently on Instagram and Depop as Explorer Finds. That's funny, she said not the Explorer, but then her page is Explorer Finds. I'm confused. Anyways, let's see what she sent me, and I'm so sorry, Dora, for taking so long to get into this package, but God, I thought this was something I ordered off eBay, so my fault. I'm tripping and I'm schlipping. But, oh yes, this first piece is a 1999 US Open on a Pinehurst number 2. Sorry guys, it's always very hard for me to read from like this angle because legit, this is like level with my like peripheral vision. Anyways, Polo Sport Golf with a little crest on the tit. Thank you so much, Dora. And then we have a t-shirt right here. Oh yes, Sugar Daddy! 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 Perfect, man. Perfect. Yeah, shout out all the gold diggers worldwide, and oh my God. I see it in here, man. Hold on, we gotta get straight to it. Guys, we have the vintage Bart Simpson plush. Are you joking me? Very large sized, nice baby blue t-shirt on, Velcro enclosure on the back, and he has titty eyes, bro. Like his eyes look like breastises, so I love it, dude. And there's nothing like making eye contact with some titty eyes, bro. This next piece is just a random, I guess like satin long sleeve. Interesting. And then, oh man, I see a couple more. Oh, the best is on the bottom. Got some Windbreaker pants. But check this out, bro. Oh my dear God. No, you didn't. But then at the same time, yes, you did. Vintage. What is this, San Diego Zoo? You got the t-shirt right here with all types of creatures and animal life on it. I love draping myself in some exotic species. Oh my God, and it's double-sided. I'm excited. Dude, I can't wait to rock this. I really like having kind of all over print vibes, yeah, as you guys can see. And then I also like having stuff that's animal and nature related. So thank you so much, Dora. Last 2 little pieces. You have this teddy bear that is Western, and then you also have this Kobe camera right here. Wait, no. Heck no, this ain't no camera. I'm tripping. It's a cassette player. That's lit, bro. And then I also have a tape thrown in. It's the Kings. I guess it's like what's in the tape deck right now. But yeah, and it's not Kobe, it's Kobe. Kobe. I don't know how to read, bro. But this is so fire. Thank you so much. This is perfect. I'm gonna have a few different tapes now that I can walk around with and just jam on my walks. Thanks, Dora. You the best. We have an envelope right here. Let's go ahead and slice into it. Okay, I think this is an eBay purchase. And yes, it is. Oh yeah, I grabbed 2 of these, bro. God, these are like brand new in sealed packages. I really don't want to open them. Okay, thank God, this one is already open. Look at this.
Look at it.
All over print. You have the Rainbow Warrior Jeff Gordon Unstoppable tee. Straight up fire. Look at the tag on it, man. Due to the printing process, every tee is unique. I got 2 of these. These were eBay purchases. So sick. These will be thrown up on Thrift Time and Vintage. You guys already know. Size medium. Man, so flamey, so wavy. And they smell like a damn printing press, bruh. It's crazy. And sorry about not implementing the horse on these envelopes, but bro, these things are so easy just to tear open with my sharpened talon nails that I might as well. So this person double packaged. Respect. That's a lot better than the hat I got. Is this pita bread? Why the hell is the hat like this, bro? Person just threw that bitch in a damn envelope. But bro, they did this too. No freaking way. Dude, you have got to be kidding me. I was just joking. And bro, somebody, oh my God. Bro, people on eBay are straight tripping.
Personal file, tripping.
Somebody else, I forgot to order this hat, threw this Charlotte Hornets Tasmanian Devil collab hat also in an envelope, bruh. And this thing has been in the envelope for months. Oh my dick. So this thing needs to be reshaped just off rip, which I definitely can do. It's a lot easier with this type of hat than the painter's hat. But I feel like I just cursed myself, bro. God, and it's so long ago that I made this purchase, I can't even leave a review. But at least they made effort and double wrapped it. But yeah, nevertheless, very cool hat. Why in the hell are people shipping hats in envelopes, guys? Please, man, if you know anyone who sells on eBay, pass on the word not to do that shit, okay? It's my pet peeve, I guess. And I never knew I had it till literally last week. All right, we have another, I think, eBay purchase. Oh man, that's so funny, dude. Oh, this shirt is an absolute banger. You got the Chicago White Sox Fred Flintstone T-shirt. Dude, I forgot I ordered these bangers, dude. Oh, yes. Dude is like smacking boulders out of the park with prehistoric bats. That's what's up. Straight Neanderthal, bro. Dang, double-sided. I'm excited. Showing that backside, that little, you know what I mean, caveman booty. Perfect. This shirt is so sick, man. Obviously made in the United States of America. I don't know, man. That one might be hitting the site too. A lot of these things I got on eBay because they happen to be for the low, so I just picked them up. So yeah, we'll see if they're posted and when. Another eBay purchase. Oh yes. This is a beautiful vintage Nike Windbreaker. Oh, look at the color blocking, man. This thing is looking like a swimming pool, or it looks like some toothpaste as well. So yeah, man, you guys can either dive in and cool down or just throw it on teeth to remove that tartar. This is absolutely crispy, not too much to say. White tag, made in the Philippines. Shout out everyone in the Philippines. You guys know what's up. Y'all stay supporting me and I love it. All right, this is exciting, man. Like I for real am the worst with like gifts and shit because I've had this stuff for so long and never have dove into it. Like, wow. Next tee, banger, bruh. Banger, bruh. You got the Coca-Cola T-Shirt right here. You got like a polar bear orgy, but I guess these guys aren't getting their freak on yet. They're just staring at the northern lights. And then you have the lone bear on the back. Jesus, man. He'd probably be the school shooter bear. God, why do I say things like that?
I can take the rain on the roof of this empty house.
Either way, man, you got the always Coca-Cola logo on the back. So fire, man. This thing is dope. Straight up. All right, then you have another one. And God, I wish I could drop the prices I got for this stuff, but I don't remember. It's been so long. But, oh yes. Okay, this is another glorious, glorious piece. Check this out. Check this out. Cooking game, bruh. Dude, this is in such pristine condition. It is a glorious all over print, brand new with tags. You got the play calling on the back, realistic depictions of football players. Oh my God. Look at this. This was $12 at one point in time. Are you shitting me? Perfect for the summer season too. I might have to just rock these pieces, do like outfit breakdown, like a weekly outfit breakdown, and I'll wear each of these pieces and style them, bro, because they're fire. All right, now we have another package. I'm not quite sure if this is another eBay package. It seems very light. Like, I have no idea what could be residing in here. Hopefully it is a hat that was properly packaged in a box. And it is. You have this Plains Crew snapback. Is this like Benny Gold or something? Or Paper Plane? I don't know, bro. I'm not familiar with this. I mean, I've seen this brand, but it's not like in my Rolodex of brand knowledge. But yeah, so cool hat. Thank you to whoever sent this to me, man. Corgius Monet. Thank you. All right, then last but not least, we have one more package from Chris Compton. Chris! You see what I did there? Okay, let's see what Chris done sent me. Oh, look at that. It's another hat in the box. Hey, but this is actually from a supporter, and I appreciate this, man. You have this amazing Houston, as you guys can see. Look at that. It says Houston. I guess I do know how to read in certain instances. But yeah, this is the airbrush hat. Very sick. It says, "Hey, Paul, you're awesome. And when I spotted this hat in a Goodwill just outside of Atlanta, I thought of you. Ace time. Please keep doing your art collabs on the paintings. Thrifting in South Carolina, Chris C." Well, thank you, Chris. I appreciate that. Sorry for the very delayed unboxing, but yeah, guys, I mean, that's just a quick, simple, and sexy little unboxing. I'm so glad I got into some of these clothes because they're absolute firecrackers. I don't even think that needs to be stated. Like, it's self-explanatory. Hands down, my favorite piece is this cooking game, bro. Oh my God, bruh. I just want to throw this on right now. Anyways, love you guys. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and until next time, I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.